Is it time to buy or sell AEye stock? In this video, we are diving deep into AEye. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of June, 2025, our system has categorized AI as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 265.91% since we first advised purchasing AI just 21 days ago. This equates to an average return of 12.66% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system foresees considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot definitively predict the stock's next movement, as it may swing in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the level of $1.30, a point that may offer a second opportunity for substantial gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 107.55% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 30.10% to negative 7.48%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 16.82%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 90.17% and negative 23.25% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 28.7 cents and $2.24. Our latest daily update for AI includes the headline, Volatile Ride for LIDR Inc. stock price on Thursday, moving between $2.67 and $4.74. The LIDR Inc. stock price gained 158.41% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025. It rose from $1.13 to $2.92. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 77.48% from a day low at $2.67 to a day high of $4.74. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 156.14% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 354 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 355 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.04 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $4.74, while the lowest price was 49 cents. Currently, the price is 38.40%, or $1.82, below the 52-week high and 99.33%, or $431.78, below the all-time high on January 14, 2021, when the price reached $434.70. AI Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol LIDR, is making notable advancements in the LiDAR industry, particularly through its recent integration with Nvidia's Drive AGX platform. This partnership serves as a significant endorsement for AI's Apollo LiDAR system, enhancing its visibility in the autonomous driving sector. This visibility could lead to valuable agreements with automakers and bolster long-term growth prospects. As AI prepares to report its second quarter financial results on the last day of July, the anticipation surrounding this release may create short-term fluctuations in stock prices, especially given the company's strong market position in high-performance LiDAR solutions. Furthermore, a recent selection of the Apollo sensor by a major original equipment manufacturer for a projected revenue opportunity of $30 million over the next few years underscores AI's potential to capture significant market share. Such opportunities can boost investor confidence, positively influencing the stock price over time. AEye's participation in an all-weather autonomy project with General Motors at the University of Toronto further solidifies its role as a pivotal player in innovative technology, likely attracting additional investments. With recent awards and ongoing advancements in production, AEye seems well-positioned for upward momentum. The combination of partnerships, potential revenues, and technological leadership continues to garner attention. This could lead to improved stock performance in both the short and long term, establishing LIDR as a formidable entity in the LIDR landscape. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of October, 2021, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned LIDR a buy rating with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to AEye stock. They have labeled the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for AEye. LIDR Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On downward corrections, support is expected at $1.38 and $1.01. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, July 15, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 200.84%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger reported a buy signal 169 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 24 days ago. When analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 32 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for AEye. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock tends to exhibit substantial movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Given the expansive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.07 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a movement of 77.48%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 21.61%. Before we dive into the potential advantageous trading levels for AEye, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of July, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for AEye. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could experience a rapid upward movement under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and utilizing volume as a guide for when to exit. Conversely, there is no substantial support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock might decline sharply in certain circumstances. It is important to proceed with caution and think about making trades only if you are an experienced trader, who understands how to manage such situations. The combined average rating for AI from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2025, Andrew S. Hughes conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock. On the 15th of June, 2025, Andrew S. Hughes again conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Connor B. Tierney conducted an insider sale of 2,788 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Andrew S. Hughes conducted an insider sale of 1,475 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Matthew Fish conducted an insider sale of 4,839 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 9.599. Overall, insiders purchased 1,957,964 shares and sold 3,798,506 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.82, reflecting a decline of 3.3%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 85, which notably amplifies this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated from a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is AI stock a good buy? AI Inc. exhibits several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning one should hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have revised our evaluation from a buy to a hold recommendation since our last assessment. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of July, we anticipate AI will open higher by approximately 524 one-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $3.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.